We're supposed to have really bad thunderstorms tonight. Probably like in the next hour or two. So I don't know if I'll record it or not. Because my dad might make me go down in the basement with him. Like, remember back on November 17th of last year, 2013, it was, I remember he made me go down in the basement because there were really bad storms that day, and that was the day there were tornadoes in Washington, Illinois and shit. And yeah, he made me go down in the basement and shit. And I didn't record that, but I don't know if I'll record this. I don't know if he'll allow me to. Maybe I'll record the sounds. I don't know, but I got the weather app on my laptop. This is what it said. It's 86 degrees Fahrenheit, partly cloudy right now. That's today. It says it's partly cloudy. Really, there's gonna be storms and shit. Hang on, guys. Let me remember the hell my mouse is. It says 90% of rain, 0% tomorrow, 40% Wednesday, 0% Thursday and Friday. There it is. But we're gonna. Here's the hourly forecast. It says it right here. 5 o'clock. So 87 heavy storms. 6 o'clock heavy storms. 7 o'clock 84 heavy storms, heavy storms, heavy storms. Basically heavy storm till like 10 o'clock p.m. tonight. Yeah, it's gonna be really dangerous and shit. Look at this. 60, 60, 60, 90, 90, 90, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. I don't know. Yeah, that's where we are. That purple arrow thing, that's where we are. Sorry, the camera hit the screen. Now we're gonna press play right here. And it's gonna play it. Iowa got blasted and shit. Jeez. We're supposed to have some really bad storms. I think Wisconsin got hit. Let's see if Wisconsin got hit. I think some of it. Yeah. Jeez. And my dad said in probably the next hour or a little less, we're supposed to be getting really, really heavy storms. So, yeah. Might be in the basement. I don't know if I'll record it. I don't know if it'll be a good idea. It'd be cool to record it, but I don't know if I should.
Celebrities knocking another familiar face from the top spot, Oprah Winfrey. There is big debate tonight over that secret social experiment by Facebook revealing they played with the news feeds of 700,000 Americans on Facebook. In some cases adding more positive posts, in other cases adding more negative ones, tracking how it changed the way we feel. The trouble is, many are mad they didn't tell you. Many of you weighing in at home, one calling it intrusive, someone else calling it a cool experiment. Stay tuned on that. When we come back here, the movie theater where the seats move right along with the movie. You gotta hold on for this one.
ABC World News with Diane Sawyer, brought to you by Progressive Insurance.
God, where's Cook County?
Tonight, a large, powerful storm system taking aim at the Chicago area, packing high winds, heavy rains, and it is moving extremely quickly right now. Good evening, everyone. There's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for the entire Chicago area.
And these storms are headed our way after they rolled across Iowa this afternoon with heavy rains, winds up to 70 miles an hour. You can see the radar showing those storms moving through our area now. They could threaten all of northern Illinois and northeastern Indiana. Here's a live picture here from West Suburban, I believe that's Naperville, not Woodstock. Storms not yet in Naperville, but Woodstock actually should be getting some of that rain now. But let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Jerry Taft, who's tracking those storms. He's here now with his first alert forecast. Jerry?
Alan, we have some very heavy showers and thunderstorms in the area. As you mentioned, the entire area, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 9 p.m. But up to the north, along our Wisconsin counties, we do have severe thunderstorm warnings, and those are in effect until, that's still part of the watch box. But the warning up there is in effect until 6:30 this evening. We also have some warnings back out to the west, and we also have a tornado watch box until 7 p.m. out to the west. So basically, most of the area is under a severe thunderstorm watch, and we definitely have some pretty heavy storms kind of pushing through the area. You can see a bow echo out ahead of that. We've had 58 to 65 mile per hour winds recorded as this system kind of moves through the area. We take a look at, you can see the watch area, you can see as it moved through Iowa. Again, they had some small hail. They also had quite a bit of damage in some areas in eastern Iowa. Here's a look at the high resolution radar, and you can see up to the north across McHenry and Lake County. As this system continues to move to the east, it will affect most counties in McHenry and Lake County, and actually out to the west it's also moving into DuPage County, and it will affect those counties as well. So we do have this severe thunderstorm band moving through the area. Behind it we also have some more storms. We'll be keeping our eyes on all of this coming up. Alan and Kathy.
So many people affected tonight. Jerry, thank you. The weather impacting commuters tonight using the trains. Metro has stopped all outbound trains on the UP Northwest line at Crystal Lake. Trains traveling to Woodstock, Harvard, McHenry will not move beyond Crystal Lake until the weather situation improves. And the storm is impacting Chicago.
To text their outage, text the word out to 26633.
This is in Woodstock.
Which spells comment at 26633. They do not want people jamming the phones this evening. The best, most efficient way to try to respond to what they expect will be widespread power outages. But again, that live picture in Woodstock that we just showed you, showing some of the rain, the opening act of what promises to be a very active.
We will both be the same.
We'll be the ABC7 thing.
Are you going to be lenient or no?
Depends. Like with my son, I'll probably be more lenient.
Really?
With my daughter, I probably would be the disciplinarian.
Overprotective?
Probably.
Yeah, I'm going to be lenient. I try not
Wait,
to.
so like when we have kids, I want to be the bad guy?
Yes.
Oh, you suck.
Okay. I have one little surprise. But you have to follow me to see it.
I don't fucking want it.
Tonight with
God, I don't fucking care for The Bachelorette. I just want to see this stupid thing.
And I love seeing this side of Nick. And I have one last surprise for him, which I think is...
Guys, don't mind the TV show. I don't care for The Bachelorette.
The way we look at each other, the way we're physically drawn to each other, it's hard for us to keep our hands off each other. But at the same time, it's very easy for us to talk. She just feels like my other
God,
half.
who wants to watch this stuff? Fucking seeing two people making out and shit. I don't fucking want to watch that.
Every part of me, who I am, like, I don't know, it's very powerful. And I do see that possibility of him standing in the very end. I do.
Really? Why do you gotta do that on TV? Get a room, people.
Coming up.
God.
We're not blind. We know exactly what's going on.
You're making... I don't care what the other guys think.
Look, if you can see the clouds, guys, it's pretty... Yeah, it's about to storm and shit. Fucking, gonna wait for it to storm. It should be coming any time now, so... It's supposed to storm really bad. Literally, it's supposed to storm really, really bad and shit. Showed you on the... Fuck, I almost fell back. I don't know, there were storms last night and shit, like at 3 in the morning. I recorded it. Well, I mean, it wasn't really storming like where I am, but it was storming like a little up north of where I am. And there were, there was some lot of lightning and shit. I didn't upload it. I just deleted it because it was pointless because there were just barely any thunder or lightning. I mean, there was more lightning, but not a lot of thunder. I think I heard some thunder and shit. I don't know, but I remember back on like November 17th, guys, there was November 17th of last year, there were storms. Is that thunder? There were tornadoes and shit that day, and my dad made me go in the basement. I don't know if I gotta do that again. I might have to do that again. Kind of hope not, because I want to record the storms. But if it's that bad, I mean, it would be good to record, but then again, it's dangerous. So I'm gonna have to go in the basement. Hang on, let me see something. Is there a basement window? Let me see something, guys. Hang on. Let me see something. Ooh, there was lightning. I don't see hear any thunder. Look at this, guys. Jeez. I would open the window and shit, but it's really, really windy and shit. Ooh, you can see really lightning, really good. Yeah, the reason why I don't have the window and shit is because I would open the window, but it's so windy and the rain's getting in the house. I don't want to do that. So yeah, I think you could still kind of hear the thunder. You could still hear the thunder, and you could definitely hear the rain and see the rain and see the lightning. Ooh! Mamma mia! Hang on, stay put, guys. Hang on. Let me get. Where the fuck is my phone? Just stay put, guys. Okay. Just making sure it's not on fucking... Oh, getting hail. I'll record more, guys. I gotta make more memory. Should have 13 minutes left now. I already deleted some files that I already put on the computer, so some dangerous weather. Ooh! That was a bolt! I really hate that you can see the camera reflection in the window. I hate that. Rain is starting to slow down a little. This is a hell of a storm, guys. This is really this. Ooh! Oh. That was a bolt. Now, this is a hell of a thunderstorm, guys. This is just exactly like November 17th, 2013. I remember I remember Washington, Illinois, there were tornadoes and there was damage there. I'm sure there are tornadoes other places too. Got 2 lightning bolts in this video. Alright guys, this is it for the video. Oh, maybe I'll record more, I don't know. So if I don't, I'll cut this part out. But otherwise, till next time, it's your boy Steve. See you later. What a hell of a storm. I'm running out of memory. I mean, I still got memory left, but thinking about saving it. So see you guys. Bye. Yep, it's definitely over us.